Easy now. I got one of these R36 ROM emulator machines, and I have to admit they are awesome. The one that I got was £17 off of eBay, and it comes with 16,000 games as standard. Things from SNES, Game Boy Advance to PlayStation 1 and PSP. Some of the more performance demanding PSP games they're a bit slow and glitchy, and some are too powerful and won't actually load up. Other than that, it's bad boy, and for £17, you really can't complain. One of the things I've been trying to do is try and give it some more performance with some heat sinks. So this is a cheap LED that I got from eBay. I've basically just popped the back of those off, and then I have fitted them onto the processing unit and the RAM chips. I've used some thermal paste and I've put them on. I myself haven't actually tested it out, but I've seen someone who's done a very similar thing, and he says that he gets higher frame rates and lower thermal throttling. So I've been also thinking about sticking this fan on at the back, but then that might be a little bit excess. We'll see how it goes. Really happy with the performance of this. Happy with all the sort of Metroidvania games that I can be playing on it. I want to be looking into the ports and stuff like that, more homebrew things. But yeah, I'd highly recommend getting one. Awesome bit of machine. Hope this helps. Peace.